To sum it up in one word, I feel proud to represent my nation. Well, in a sense, it brings a lot of pressure that we're kind of representing who we are as a culture. But with that comes a lot of motivation, which is certainly something that we've needed a lot in the design, the challenges of STEM engagement, and everything that's been going on with this project. I've really taken it to heart, and I'm proud to be representing my nation. My family was excited at first to hear that I'm going to NASA, and they've been very supportive throughout the process because we've been having to put a lot of our work aside just to dedicate a lot of time to this project as a whole. But nonetheless, they're very supportive of it. They're very excited to see what we are going to put up and how we fare off against other teams competing as well. I'm part of the safety team, and my primary job is to make sure that the two people driving the rover are going to remain safe at all times, plus making sure that the rover itself does not break down or have any other malfunctions that can somehow hinder its own functionality. As an aspiring engineer, it's given me a lot of hindsight into what I'm going to expect as an engineer. Obviously, some of the concepts that we've used here will be taught in the future to us. And it's also given me a chance to look at the challenges that I'll be facing in the future. Well, that's been a daunting task. It's quite important to understand, and I feel like it's been quite insightful into my journey as an aspiring engineer.